How to use money affirmations to create wealth and abundance. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about money affirmations and how they can help you attract more abundance and prosperity into your life. Money is one of the most common sources of stress and anxiety, but by changing the way you think about money, you can create a more positive relationship with it. In this video, we'll discuss what money affirmations are, how they work, and some powerful affirmations you can use to increase your wealth mindset. What are money affirmations? Money affirmations are positive statements that you can repeat to yourself to reprogram your mind and shift your thoughts and beliefs around money. By repeating these affirmations daily, you can change your subconscious thoughts and beliefs about money, which can help you attract more abundance into your life. How do money affirmations work? Our thoughts and beliefs have a powerful influence on our actions and the outcomes we experience in life. When we think positively about money and believe that we deserve abundance, we're more likely to take action towards our financial goals and attract opportunities for wealth and prosperity. On the other hand, if we have negative beliefs or limiting thoughts about money, we may unintentionally push away opportunities or self-sabotage our efforts to improve our financial situation. Money affirmations help us to overcome these negative beliefs and replace them with positive ones, which can improve our financial outlook and attract abundance into our lives. Here are some powerful money affirmations that you can use to attract more abundance and prosperity into your life. I am worthy of wealth and abundance. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I release all limiting beliefs about money and embrace my abundance. My income is constantly increasing. I attract positive opportunities for financial growth and success. I trust that the universe will always provide for me. I am open to receiving wealth in all forms. I am financially free and abundant. I deserve to live a life of financial prosperity and abundance. So there you have it. Money affirmations are a powerful tool for changing your mindset and attracting more abundance into your life. By using these affirmations daily, you can shift your thoughts and beliefs around money, which can improve your financial outlook and help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, it's not just about the affirmations themselves, but also about taking action towards your financial goals and remaining open to opportunities. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.